This shit sucks Thursday. Big bibs guy right here. Bibs for 2 days, and he just, big dog, wears them everywhere. Doesn't take them off. Has swamp ass, all that. So don't smell them. Stay over there. So we have a problem. I just got a muffler put on the car, which is right there. I showed that in the previous video. Basically, put the muffler on, let it idled. Was trying to warm up the car, just kind of getting the RPMs up a little bit, and then we had a kind of a weird noise that popped up, and come to find out, it's the turbo. So you can see in there the the wheels completely fucking damaged, and then when you check the play, it's completely fucking loose. So yeah, this sucks. And you can see obviously the inside of the opening, it's all chewed up. Really sucks. Was having a good day, and not so much no more. Yeah, this wheel's done. So it is what it is. It's just one of those things. Yeah, it's just the stock On3 turbo. It's like a 70 millimeter, I believe. So it's just kind of the standard turbo that comes with the Fox body kit. I'm gonna call On3 tomorrow and order a replacement, so I can get that on the way. It's this weekend's the Niles car show, which now I'm definitely not driving this car because I don't want the wheel to blow, or the turbo to blow up and then do more damage. Then it's more shit I gotta fix. Because we have 46 days till we leave for Redwood Rally, or technically 44, because we're leaving Saturday to be up there for Monday. But yeah, this sucks. Send help, please. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Anything helps. I got the 98 Cobras for sale. The rears, I put new 245/70 tires on it, which you can see the stickers on it. But these two rears, I believe, are the new ones. And then the fronts have about 500 miles or so on them. So those are for sale. Let me know. But yeah, we need a new turbo. This kind of sucks. Really, really sucks. But you know what? Who knows was doing good? It's Adrian and his bibs.
And the vert.
The vert runs for now. We'll see. So stay stock, boys.